All right, I like to produce at least maybe one or two videos about Live Good per day on my YouTube channel, and go ahead and post it on my social media platforms like Facebook. Okay, and I also like to email people just a short little message about, hey, check this out, click this link, and it goes right to a video that I'm going to show you real quick. Okay, it's only 5 minutes and 55 seconds. So if you're interested in joining Live Good, okay, there's plenty of information about the products, the opportunity, the comp plan, pay plan, everything you need. Okay, but mostly people get a hold of me that have already joined, or my downline, people that have joined my, I don't know if I'd call it team or my little tribe. Okay, but they just want to know, okay, how do I promote Live Good? Okay, I don't have a lot of experience. All right, I don't maybe have a lot of money. Okay, because some people think you have to have thousands of dollars. All right, now, true, you need like maybe an office or a house, or it's always nice to have somewhere to sit. Maybe it's behind your car and your steering wheel. Most of you guys have a cell phone, right? All right, or a webcam. I prefer talking to my webcam, although I can do selfie videos or go live. I'm very good at doing whatever I need to with my cell phone, but I think it's easier for me just to sit like at a nice desk like this and just talk. And if you're new to video, you can have notes, on the other side of the webcam, or maybe just look down now and then. And if you're new, tell people you're new. Say, I've never done business like this before. So if I pause or lose my place or drop my phone or, I don't know, pick my nose, whatever, leave it on. The more real you are, I think it's more interesting. And most people will relate to you because, if you see all these videos with a awesome studio, fancy haircut, fancy just this, and driving in Lamborghinis, and everybody bragging about their lifestyle, their laptop lifestyle. How many people bring a laptop to the pool or the beach? How many people really own a Lamborghini? Okay, I'd say it's probably 20 to 30, maybe 40-year-old males. All right. I know a lot of people. I've been in radio almost 40 years, and I know people that have made a lot of money. And you know how many people go and buy exotic cars? Probably 0.0000% of my friends personally. No one gives a rat's ass. Okay? I have more satisfaction buying this, and I'm embarrassed how much. This is a $15 fancy limited edition Hummer Hot Wheel. Okay? Here's my wheels. Is it called a whip? I see the younger whippersnappers say, man, I got a new whip. Look at my Lambo. I'm going to go drive in front of that beach house and live that laptop lifestyle at the pool. Okay? If you're my age, and guys, I'm born in the 60s, but you know what? I still have a lot of fun. And I'll meet you at the pool. All right? I'll meet you motorcycling or racing around. I actually produce car shows, about 140 a year with Blaine and Jill with Rockin' Hot Rod Productions. But I'll tell you what, I like the freedom that an online business can bring you, like Live Good, or maybe another opportunity. I have several that complement Live Good. I'm pretty darn good in 2 years. I only have 2 years doing this. I'm kind of a virgin. All right. I know I got a Santa Claus beard. Boy, when I grow this thing out, I'm as white as my hat, my nice little Cobra Kai sweatshirt here, and my pearly white teeth are kind of still hanging in there white. All right. But in 2 years, I've learned a lot. To invite people, to just click a link and watch little short videos. Even the opportunity, if you have to set up, let's say, a website or something, nice little short videos. You're not going to college or city college. You're just going to sit on your laptop or your home computer, I hope. I think it's easier to do this business with a desk, pad, paper. Get one of these darn things, pen. Take your time. And if you don't know what you're doing, watch the video back, forth, rewind. Watch it backwards or forwards or standing on your head. But it's so nice to just work from home and relax. And if you don't understand something, there's full customer support at LiveGood. You can go to support@livegood.com. Look into the products, the opportunity. If you don't know the comp plan, click the link that says comp plan. If you want to know more about the opportunity, go and get a hold of me. I'm not shy. Cory at CoryDraper.com. You can find me on Facebook. Inbox me. You can Google search. You can go all over YouTube. I got about 38. I think I made 3,800 YouTube videos pertaining to Live Good. Okay, I know this company very well. And if I just invite you to click a link and let that video, which is produced by Live Good, do all the talking, does everything for me, and I know it'll work for you. 5 minutes and 55 seconds. It gets everything done. It's hosted by Ben Glinsky, our CEO. Okay, so I get questions just about every day. How to market Is there software? Are there techniques? Yes, there's a lot of things out there. Some are $5, $10, some are 500, 900, $9 million, okay? But if you're new and you're on a budget, get comfortable just learning to email. I'm very good at it. Do you have $1 a day, $30 a month? Get a hold of me. I'll show you how I email. I'm very successful at emailing. If you are interested in just joining LiveGood, I want to show you what I do. And this is for free. There's no competition. There's just no competition. We're worldwide. We have almost 2 million members, and most people, they're going to buy the products. But I look at LiveGood as an affiliate too. It's only $10 a month, $9.95 to be exact. You get 5 cents back if you have a $10 bill. Okay. Now, I'm going to go ahead and shrink up here. This is what I do. I just invite you, people, to go to joincory.com. That's it. Done. And it goes to this page right here. People will say hi to this gentleman. Look at this couple running on the beach. And then they'll click this YouTube video produced by LiveGood. Sit back. It's 5 minutes and 55 seconds. It tells you everything you need to know. Most people, if they don't want to do LiveGood, within 30 seconds are like, no, it's not for me. Then click that little top right X and you're on your way. Okay, but if you're interested, go ahead and put your name and email right in here. Click that orange little rectangle button. And guess what? You're going to get an email. And if you want to join LiveGood, just follow the email. And if you want more information, 1 email a day will go to you for 30 days. Now that's important if you're an affiliate, because let's say you don't know how to email people. Well, the company takes over and sends a nice email to anyone that puts their name and email address here and clicks reserve my position. Okay. And if you want to opt out at the bottom of the email, just say, goodbye. I want to opt out. See you later, alligator. That's it. Super simple. Okay. So what do? How am I top 30 out of 2 million people in the company? Well, let me show you one more time. I made business cards at Vistaprint for $18, $5 shipping, $23. I bought this joincory.com for $11 at GoDaddy. I told GoDaddy for free. I don't have a website at GoDaddy. I just have this domain, joincory.com. And I went ahead and boom, I have them forward for free to this link right up here. See that? I highlighted the top left of your screen. That's all I do. So on a street level, if someone brings up, hey, Cory, what's going on? I saw you on Facebook post about LiveGood. I just hand them the card and say, look at it. Just click. Watch that little video right there in the middle of your screen. And if you're interested, great. Put your name and email address in. If not, hey, how's the kids? How's your car? How's the weather? How's your back? How's your eyeball? Did it fall out? I mean, there's a lot of other things to talk about.